Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I have the Spigen tempered glass for the iPhone 13 Pro Max here. I have, alright. So let's see what else we have in the box. These are some specifications of the tempered glass with all these features, alright. So let's open it. Alright, see, we have nothing else left. Alright. Right now we have the wipes. Right, okay, we have a frame holder for you to align the tempered glass, a thank you sticker, a paper, including the installation steps and the tempered glass itself. So there are two pieces here in one package, and I'm just gonna use one. Right, it looks pretty nice. So I think what we have to do is to align this on my phone. But firstly, because I've already applied an old tempered glass, and I'm going to remove it right now. There we go. Remove it. Not sure how this works, but let me see. Should be something like this. Yep. It's like this. Alright. And of course we have to wipe off the screen first. With a scrap tool, I would say. Alright, it says to move out the air bubbles using that tool. Squiggy, alright, it's caught here. And the dust removal tool sticker, I will use one as well. And the wipe for one. So let's peel it open. I'm gonna keep this for the next time and use this right now. So it's fairly big size. Right, I think I should just remove this first, and for a while gonna wipe the screen off. Alright, looks very clean. So this one you use to remove any dust from your phone. Before that, let's see the steps here. So wipe it, I have done it, and right now align the frame. Alright, we're done. The third step is to remove the bad film of this thing, actually, to push it in. But of course, before that we have to clean out the dust if there are any. So just take off the sticker, just tape everything. Hopefully it is dust free, so your tempered glass will have a perfect view. Okay, I think we're done. So right now I'm gonna remove the back film and place it. Alright, this one is the film. Right, unfortunately I saw some dust again, so I'm just gonna quickly remove them. So let's just put it down. Not sure if this is the correct way. Alright. So I'm going to use this tool. I think it should be this side. As you can see, the bubbles here is getting pushed out. Do that again later. I think there's some kind of dust inside. Alright, now let's remove the sticker. Right, let's try that one more time. Alright, so it's not perfect here actually. Maybe there's some dust inside, but that's how you do. Alright, and I'll try to remove it later. So that's it for the installation of the Spigen tempered glass on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.